welcome to a new video. Battery service on your boat. People say you get 2-3 years out of batteries. I usually get 4 or 5. I've got some of them I've actually put in 09, didn't have to replace till 16. So there's 7 years on a battery. What do I do different? One, keep it full of water, never let it run dry, okay? The other thing you gotta do is when you winterize a boat, after you're done, unhook the batteries. I don't care if your switches are off, there might be little things that draw. I make sure they're fully charged and I unhook the batteries. Normally I don't touch them over the winter. I'm here in Illinois, so I'm gonna see -20, no problem. Boat's gonna be outside, batteries aren't coming out, and I'm getting 4 and 5 years easily on a battery. So the key is the water. The charging unit bakes them out, don't bake them out. Here's how you put the water in. Make sure you use distilled water. These are the tools you need to service your battery. You need distilled water, some type of long funnel to get the water in, a screwdriver to pop the covers. I like a good flashlight to look in. So we'll get started here and show you how you service your batteries. So what you got to do is you got to pop these covers off. Want to make sure you don't get any dirt in there. And you get a flashlight and look in there. So I pop that cover off and see how those are right up to the lip there. That means those are full. So we don't have to do anything. We'll put the cover back on and we're going to move on to the next cell. When you pop these off, you got a place you can put a screwdriver and just do a little prying. Unless you got those batteries that are no maintenance. There you go. Now, you can look in there again. This battery is full up. Now this battery is brand new in the fall, so you can see how she stayed really nice. There you go. Next, just put your cap back on. Push it down good, you'll feel it go down. Now that we know that battery's good, we got one on the other side. Over here we got to do next. This one has a shade low over here. Take your funnel and your water. You don't want to overfill. Just give it a little dash. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Cover back on. Pop the other one. This one's got a bubble on it. And pop the bubble. All right, just needs a dash. The dash, look down there. Pretty good. So there you go, maintaining your batteries, quick, easy, simple. Don't forget to do it on your boat because your batteries will last longer. You want to make sure that the battery guy does not love you and know you by first name. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on.